If you want the best pot holders, look no further. Our culinary experts researched and purchased 5 of the top models for side-by-side testing. While all of these products will keep your hands protected, our evaluation illustrates that there are big differences in insulation, quality of construction, and versatility. We scorched stovetop pans, grabbed trays from the back of ovens, and even developed a hot hands test to highlight the best and worst of each of these pot holders. So, whether you're looking for a silicone cover for the handle of your favorite cast iron, or a pad that doubles as a hot plate coaster, our experts offer product-specific advice to help you pick the right pot holder for your needs. Having the right kitchen tool for the job makes cooking more enjoyable and more efficient. There are numerous options for cheap best pot holders, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best pot holders from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Pratico PratiPad Plus. The Silicone Pratico PratiPad Plus might just be the perfect pot holder. It offers ample insulation, gripping sensitivity, and plenty of useful surface area. It's easy to clean, doesn't seem to hold stains, and the honeycomb texture provides excellent grip. The silicone material easily doubles as a jar opener or a trivet for a hot dish. What's not to like? We put the Pratico PratiPad Plus through the ringer in our evaluation, even attempting to pull the silicone material apart to see if it would rip or tear. But it didn't give. The only minor issue is that food can tend to get stuck on its surface due to the multitude of little pockets. Even still, we rubbed all kinds of food all over the honeycomb exterior and were able to rinse it clean with no difficulty at all. Number 2. Amazon Basics Silicone Hot Skillet Handle Cover. The Amazon Basics Silicone Hot Skillet Handle Cover has plenty of insulation and lasted for over half a minute in our insulation testing. The insulation was so effective that it outlasted our muscles. We had a hard time holding up the heavy 6-pound cast iron pan long enough for the heat to bleed through. Despite this product's incredibly low price, it's not cheaply made. Its inch-thick silicone construction means that it should hold up to use and abuse in a busy kitchen. Additionally, the silicone is oven-safe up to 475 degrees Fahrenheit for recipes with stove-to-oven finishes. Our only complaint about this mitt is that it has a generic shape that didn't fit any of our pan handles super well. Number 3. Crucible Cookware Silicone Hot Handle 2-Pack Mix. We frequently hear from older cooks that they gave up on cast iron cookware because it's just too heavy. The Crucible Cookware Silicone Hot Handle Sleeves go a long way towards mitigating the burden of heavy cookware. Having the dependable grip of silicone on both the handle and tab of a combo cooker is helpful for all users, even the brawny baker. Additionally, using 2 hands effectively doubles the insulation duration, a definite plus given this model's moderate thickness. Compared to the other hot handle holders we tested, the Crucible cookware is a bit lower quality. It is thin and only offers about half the insulation of other silicone models. Number 4. Maison de Hermine Double Oven Mitt. The Maison de Hermine Double Oven Mitt offers users superb hand and forearm protection. This model is easy to hang over a cupboard door or on an oven handle. The construction is high quality, and the insulation is more than adequate. We also appreciate that this particular style of pot holder has pockets for the hands to slide into, making it easy to grab cookware while providing complete protection to vulnerable skin. On the flip side, these holders are large when compared to other models. As a result, if you're using just one hand, the extra material can get in the way. Number 5. Lodge Silicone Handle Holder. What sets the Lodge Silicone Handle Holder apart from other hot handle holders is that it is fit to a specific set of pans from the same manufacturer. The keyhole-style handles on Lodge pans 9 inches and larger. When matched to the appropriate handle, the fit is the best we've seen with any of these products. Additionally, it comes in a cornucopia of colors to add a little flair to your kitchen. Though this model is designed for Lodge specifically, it also works well with other pan handles. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.